Hello everyone! In today's video I will show you how to crochet a beautiful blanket. This one is small, perfect for a baby or a toddler, but you can easily make it in any size you like. For this project I use a 4.5mm crochet hook and double knit yarn. For more details check out the description box below. I really love how the colorful yarn turned out, but this blanket would look just as lovely using only two colors, so let's get started. If you would like to make a baby blanket that's around 120 centimeters wide, start with a foundation chain of 136. For any other size, just remember that the foundation chain needs to be a multiply of 12 plus 1. In this tutorial I will be making a small practice swatch, so I will chain 28. 2 times 12 is 24 plus 4 is 28. Okay, row number 1. We will start row number 1 in the second chain from the hook, and we will make just one single crochet into each chain. Continue until the end, and when finished, cut your yarn. Okay, this is my first row. Now I will start row number 2 on the right side, and I will always start my rows on the right side. So insert your hook under the first stitch, put new yarn onto your hook and pull it through the stitch. Now chain 1 and make one single crochet into the same stitch. One single crochet into the same stitch. And now we will make one single crochet into each stitch, but in the back loops only. And a small tip from me: as you crochet, it's a good idea to weave in the yarn tail by crocheting around it. This will save your time later and give your project a cleaner finish. Okay, so one single crochet into each stitch until in the back loops only, until you reach the second stitch from the end. And we will make a normal single crochet into the last stitch. By normal I mean we will work under both loops, so not only under the back loop but under both loops. When finished, cut your yarn. So two things to remember: that the first and last stitch is always a single crochet worked under the both loops, and the other thing is that we are always working from the right side to the left side. Okay, now let's start row number 3. So again, change the color. We will change color every row. Insert your hook into the first stitch under the both loops, put the new color onto your hook and pull it through the first stitch. Then chain 1, make a single crochet into the first stitch, and under both loop, as I said, we are always working a normal single crochet into the first and last stitch. Now we start to work in the sequence: 1 double crochet, 5 single crochet. So a double crochet we will make in the front loop that was created in the previous row, so here. Okay, so 1 double crochet into the next front loop, and now make 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches. So when you do double crochet you will skip the stitch that is behind the double crochet. Okay, so you'll start in the next stitch. So 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches. Then again a double crochet into the next front loops. So again skip 5 front loops that are under the single crochet and insert your hook into the next front loop. Is over here. Continue that sequence until end of the row. So 1 double crochet, 5 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 5 single crochet. Okay, now make 1 double crochet and a single crochet under the both loops. Cut your yarn and we are ready to work row number 4. Row number 4, change color. Chain 1 and make a single crochet into the first stitch. Then start to work in the sequence. 1 single crochet into the next stitch. 1 double crochet into the next stitch. So here is your front loop over here. So 1 double crochet into the next stitch. One single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3, and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. So continue this sequence until the end of your row. You can also hide the tails while you're working from this side, like that, and now you can work over the tail. Cut the yarn and let's start row number 5. So I have already made first stitch. Now we'll start to work in the sequence. 1 double crochet into the first stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, then 3 double crochet, so 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, and 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat that sequence until end of the row. Remember to make a single crochet into the last stitch, single crochet under the bottom loop into the last stitch. Row number 6, I already made the first single crochet. Now start to work 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, so 1, 2 and 3, and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and repeat that sequence until end of the row. Row number 7, after first stitch make 1 double crochet, then make 5 single crochet, so 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches, and repeat that sequence until end of the row. So 1 double crochet, 5 single crochet. Remember to make 1 single crochet under both loop into the last stitch. Row 8, I have already made first stitch, then you will make 1 single crochet into each stitch until end of the row. So just 1 single crochet into each stitch. Remember to make 1 single crochet under the bottom loop into the last stitch. Row number 9, after first single crochet make 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches. So this is the first double crochet, this is your second double crochet, third double crochet, fourth double crochet, and from now start to work in the sequence. 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 double crochet. Repeat that sequence until you reach the 5th stitch from the end. Okay, 5 stitches left, then make 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches, and make 1 single crochet under the both loops into the last stitch. Then cut your yarn and let's start next row. Okay, row number 10, after the first stitch make 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches, and from now start to work in the sequence. 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and you will repeat that sequence until you reach the 5th stitch from the end, and then you will make 1 single crochet into the last 5 stitches. Remember to make last single crochet under the both loops. Row number 11, I have first stitch made, then I will make 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches, and now work in sequence. 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat that sequence until you reach the 5th stitch from the end, then make 4 double crochet and 1 single crochet into the last stitches. Okay? Row 12, I have made first single crochet. Now make 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches, 2, 3, and 4, and from now start to work in the sequence. 1 double crochet into the next stitch, then 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat that sequence until end of the row. Remember to make 5 single crochet into the last 5 stitches. Row 13, make 1 double crochet into the first 4 stitches, then work in sequence. 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches, 1 double crochet. So 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches, 3, 4, and 5, and 1 double crochet, and continue until end of the row. Remember to make 1 double crochet into the last 4 stitches and then 1 single crochet. Repeat rows 2 to 13 as many times as you want your blanket to belong. And that's it. I'm not making any border for this blanket. This is the back way of the blanket. You can easily cut off the endings. Thanks for watching.